Hi everyone, my name is Zach Hall. I am an ELA teacher, and our textbook for ELA is Actively Learn, which is pictured right here. So I'm not going to be going through an extensive review of Actively Learn. I can help you do that on the side if you'd like. What I'd like to do today is talk about how this tool can help you in any different subject area other than ELA, in addition to English language arts. So the very first thing that I wanted to show you was the screen recording device that I'm using to make this video is called Screencast-O-Matic.com. And basically it's just a screen recording app. And you would go to Screencast-O-Matic.com and just hit Start Recorder right here, and it will record anything that you're doing on your screen. So I know that the district has provided us with a lot of ways of sharing out PDFs or, giving kids access to different documents. But what happens when you want to lecture, when you want to give instruction that you can't necessarily just put on a document? You can make a screen recording of a Google presentation, of a PDF that you've written on, a lot of those different sorts of things. So the first step of this, of course, is to create a video. And I believe that Screencast-O-Matic is allowing educators right now to make 15-minute videos. So you could do a 15-minute video and break that up into segments if you wanted to do it differently. So once you had that video done, I was using Actively Learn as a way of housing that video. So instead of just posting a link on your Blackboard page and telling students to go watch this video, which you certainly could do, I was going to show you how to embed that within a text so that it might be even more usable. So once you make your video and you have it all done and you're giving your notes or whatever you'd like to do, then you would go over to Actively Learn and this is a digital reading platform. So maybe you're having students read a specific article or watch a specific video or whatever the text is that you're dealing with. And this might not work exactly for you, but you can always go to this button right here where it says My Imports, and you can add any sort of content. Internet article, a Google Doc, a PDF, even a video. I've never done this create quiz thing right here. But you can add any text that you'd like to add. I'm going to go over to my workspace right now and just show you how I would do something for mine. So if I were to click, the next unit that I'll be working with is Dante's Inferno. And I have it split up into all the different chapters, which are called cantos. If I just click on one of them right here, you can see that a lot of my annotations, which are notes, are saved here on the side, which can help students to understand the text as we're going along. In addition to that, I can also ask questions. What I wanted to show you how to do was actually to insert your video that you just made, which is pretty cool, I think. So if you click right here on anything and you release, it's going to give you a prompt here. And you're going to click Insert Note. Instead of typing something here, because you always could, you could write something like, please watch this video to understand. You would actually go to this little media button right here and click it. And then you would click right here and it's going to say Insert URL. You would go back to your YouTube channel, and I have my YouTube channel right here, and you would take that video that you made from Screencastify and upload it to your YouTube channel. And I think we all have a YouTube channel through the school with our Google account. You would just log into YouTube using your Google account, and you would upload the video. And again, this is a sort of a side step that you could do. I could help you with it, but I think any of the tech integrators could help you with it as well. You would upload that video. So let me click here on a video that I've made. Bring that up. This is just an old video that I made.
Alrighty, guys.
On body paragraphing before. So I'm going to click that link. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my Actively Learn. I'm going to paste it right there, and I can save it. So right now what you see is I'm actually embedding that video within the text, so students are able to watch it as they're going along. So it just becomes one big part of instruction rather than just a link they're clicking on the side. One thing before I leave here, I didn't want to make this too long. What's going to happen then is you are going to have access to also seeing some data. So this is an old assignment that I gave to my students before, and you can see that I can see for how long the students actually read. So it's not just that they're clicking on a video and watching it, but you can see that they've read, that they've answered questions. There's a lot of features within the program aside from just assigning the work and giving students access to watching the videos. There's a lot of data. So there's a whole lot of stuff on the outside of what I just talked about, but I just wanted to briefly show you how to embed the videos within your lessons in Actively Learn if that's another tool that you wanted to use. As I said before, if you need help with this, please feel free to reach out to me, Zach Hull, Hull, so that's Z Hull at northallegheny.org, or any of the tech integrators could certainly help you as well. Thanks.